Hey guys, it's me, Jem, and Soliman.
Hey.
We're here to unbox our brand new computer, the OMEN gaming PC by HP. So let's get started. Okay, you should be good over there. Don't want to cut. Because knowing me, I'll probably cut everyone.
If you cut me, I swear.
Don't worry, I got it.
Please be careful.
Okay. So I see some papers and stuff. And be careful with your face. I don't want to hurt you.
The package is open.
I guess this is a keyboard. And yeah, this is going to take a while. So this is what we're going to do. Since I'm pretty sure nobody wants to sit here and just watch me pull this thing out. I'm just going to fast forward to the future. And we'll have everything back. Okay? See you then. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the computer is unboxed. This is the front of it. This is the side. This is the back part. And the other side.
It looks really nice.
Yep, it does. The information on the computer will be in the description below if you're interested. And at the end of this video, there will be extra footage of the computer turned on. And you'll be able to see how it looks and works. And that'll be it for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.